Company, Course Hero. Job position, online tutor. Job duties, you will be responsible for helping students with their academic needs. Providing one-on-one tutoring sessions, answering student questions. Providing guidance support throughout their coursework. Requirements, bachelor's degree or higher. Demonstrate expertise in chosen subject area. Excellent communication skills, comfortable working remotely. Access to computer and reliable internet connection. Pay, $15 to $20 per hour. To apply for this job, read full job duties. Click blue link to the right of Course Hero in description below.